if the sequence of a gene is patented, that gives the exclusive right to the person who's patented it to exploit that information for a period of 15 or 20 years. That in turn leads to the potential for someone having a monopoly on a diagnostic test for a disease or on a means of treatment. That's inappropriate and will certainly increase the cost of the diagnostic test, because the person who has the monopoly will, needless to say, wish to recover some money in return for having that monopoly. If there had been a lot of serious invention had gone into patenting the gene sequence, that might have been quite appropriate. But as I've said, patenting a gene is not something which involves an inventive step. It's just a matter of applying a technology that's routinely available to any particular bit of genetic information. So to allow patenting of genes of itself merely hinders the process of healthcare by putting costs up. If something novel is invented, that's a different matter, but here we're not dealing with something novel, we're just dealing with the use of a particular sequence of genetic information. Patenting of gene sequences should not be allowed because the patent system exists to protect inventions, and a gene sequence of itself is not an invention. If we allow the patenting of gene sequences, it will hinder the development of diagnostic tests, prevent or hinder research, and increase the costs of healthcare.